Well, so we have here the document prepared. The first thing we're going to do is adding the text. So I'm aligning it to the center, to the middle. We're going to create two files, two text files, and we're going to work in the first one. We're going just to add blending options or styles to it. This one and stroke. Here in the first style, we're going to change the depth to something like 164%, and in the size it is 5 pixels. Well, we're going here to shading. We're going to remove this option, use global light, and changing the angle to 90. Fine. We're going here to gloss contour, and we're going to choose this one, the fourth one, the fourth option. So then of this, you're going to change the opacity to the white color, or the highlight, or the most or the highlight mode to 100%, and the shadow mode to 0. This is kind of important, having not darkness here, because it's going to look like that, like this. So we're going to stroke. Here we're going to change this to 6 pixels, and it's very important having the same color as the text. That's everything for this layer, and we're going to work on the second layer. Here we're going to add a stroke, and we're going to add a drop shadow too. At this point, we're going to change the size, changing the color too. It's going to be white. It's kind of important for this effect. The distance to 40 pixels, the size 0, and the opacity we're going to use 20%. We're going to remove use global light and change it to 90. In the 90, this is going to be the angle. That's everything for styles, and we're going to use the type, the recent tool, the type tool, and doing right click, going here to warp text. In the style, we're going to change it to something like shield lower, something like this, with these properties. And the same thing for the first layer, the same thing, right click and warp text. And in the style, we're going to change it to shield lower. Okay, something like this. So that's everything for this video, and see you in the next